are wasting your time.
Yes, they are, but why? Here's the thing. We got to point that mirror at ourselves. Most of the time, we're allowing them to waste our time. I'm going to say that again because it's really important. Anytime you're frustrated with a prospect and you're like, they're wasting my time, you have probably done one of two things. Either not gone into the eastonuniversity.com learning portal and attended these live events, or two, you have circumnavigated your sales process. Because if you're going into the portal and you're watching the coaching and you're attending these live events, it's impossible for somebody to waste your time because you're following the process. Robert, what's the most important thing that we need to accomplish on this call? Based on my understanding, your current situation is bump, bump, bump. The capabilities that you guys need are bop, bop, bop. Next step. Does it make sense to get your team on board with the software? No. Got it. What's a good next step then? Right? What's a good next step for me? Following that NSO process, right? It's not possible to waste my time. Oh yeah, well you got to call them and they're not interested. Okay, 20 seconds, pal. What are you doing with the other 11 hours in your day? Right? Like it's so funny, every time we get down in the weeds with somebody, it's because we ejected from our sales process.